In Office 365, you can create email addresses for your company, like sales, support, or careers, that your customers can email questions to and get answers. To get started, open Outlook. Select New Group. Enter the name you want to use, like support. Give it a description. The classification is optional. Change privacy to public if you want everyone in the company to see incoming messages in their group folder. To make sure all emails arrive in everyone's inbox, check this option. That way, they don't miss anything. Choose Create. Specify which employees should receive the emails. Choose Add Members. You now have a group for support. To let your customer send email to the group, go to Group Settings, Edit Group. Check the box to let people outside the organization email the group. Then select OK. Your group is ready to use. Your customers can now send email to support at your company.